Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to clean up text in Python. When analyzing a text, we are frequently interested only in meaningful words, punctuation, spaces. Let's see how to clean text in Python. First, we are going to add the text we want to clean up. Our text will be text equals or multiple lines. Hello world with the exclamation point. And hi there. Hi there. Who are you? With the question mark. And I will just end our text here. And now we can use a string punctuation to know which characters we want to discard and make a translation table to discard them all. So first I need to import string here. Import string and we'll get the trans by using string dot make trans and empty string and empty and then string dot punctuation. And now we can get our text. That will be text dot lower dot translate, and we need to pass in our trans. After this, we can just print our text, and now it should be clean. And here is our clean text output without the punctuation. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.